How to reinstall Windows 10 without deleting your software, files, or settings. Here's how to reinstall Windows 10 without deleting your software, files, or settings. Option 1. Launch the Reset This PC option in Windows 10. Option 2. Repair your with command prompt commands such as sfc/scanno and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health as admin. Option 3, run the setup.exe file, as admin, on an original Windows 10 ISO/USB drive or from the media creation tool. Option 4, recommended. In place upgrade. See how to at https://bit.ly/2luc9m. Note 1, you better do this as the admin user by running this command net user administrator/active yes. Note 2, assure your Windows ISO/USB drive/creation tool contain the same edition of your operating system, or newer, as well as the same language and architecture, 32/64-bit. Note 3, check up your current system disk space, 8 GB. Note 4, disable secure boot in your BIOS setting.